Nazi ifundo zamahala zebhola likanobhutshuzwayo. I want to show you how Sundowns hurt their opponents using a diamond 4-4-2. Okay, so qala sizumqeqeshwayo ukuthi uPaula athini siye ku tactics board bese ngikukhombisa ukuthi how it plays out in a match situation.
We will be a little bit faster than what we were last season. That's very important to me. A lot of wing play.
Ama 4-4-2 ke ehlukene. This is what we call a diamond 4-4-2. Mangabe ama midfielders akho emi kanje. So I diamond ile shape lena edalekayo lapha yana in the middle of the park, this shape here. We call this a diamond, right? This is a diamond formation, I diamond 4-4-2. Abantu abaningi ngiyazi ukuthi they are not quite familiar with the diamond 4-4-2. Bajwayelele the other 4-4-2 whereby you've got your midfielders, you've got your strikers, number 11 wakho uyahamba, number 7 uyahamba uhlaba ama cross, you've got your attacking midfielder and your defensive midfielder, your number 9 the strikers hamba onesibuyayo. This is a flat 4-4-2 ehambe lo shaya ama cross, hambe lo shaya ama cross and isuke flat mayikanje. But Sundowns plays a diamond 4-4-2, right? Diamond 4-4-2 lapha kuukuthi khona abadlali ba positionwa ngendlela strategic bama kanje, right? The essence of this, the importance yokuthi idlala diamond 4-4-2 is to dominate the middle of the park, because you're going to have your Batusi Obas sitting in the number 6 position on the right wale diamond kuyaye kube ulokhuzana. So uBatusi Obas is at the base of the diamond, ngakwa right khona uMarcelo Ayende, ngaka left khona uMkwena, and then at the top of the diamond kukhona lo mfana lona oyinkinga kakhulu these days obizwa Lucas Ribeiro Costa, and then up front you're gonna have your two strikers, uShalulile, maybe no Matthews okanye uMatthews, mhlambe no Lokhuza no Reyners, depending ukuthi obani abadlalayo, but these days idlala uShalulile no Reyners. I-diamond yakhona imi kanje. And then your Modiba is gonna be using i-width. Ngithi about these 4 players abakwi-diamond abekho wide, so i-width is kept by fullbacks. The width is kept by fullbacks. Your Khuliso Mudau, your Tiwani or Modiba. These are the people who are keeping with ukwenza short bahamba kanje. So that's basically how they play. And then in terms of rest defense yabo mabe defender, when these guys bomb forward, uBatusi Obas uyahlala, uMkwena uyahlala, they form what you call a block. I-block ke ukubeka abadlali abo 4. That's a form i-rest defense before ngibaleke kakhulu is the manner in which you organize yourself mangabe i-team attacker, so that you're not vulnerable to counter attacks. So they form a block, these 4 players. Benza sure ukuthi bahlala be-4 kanje ukuze bezoba ne-advantage yokushiftela kwa left or right depending ukuthi nizama ba-attacker ngakuphi. So that's basically how they set up in a block, right? I-rest defense inendlela eziningi ke coach abazenzayo. Mangabe ama-defender emile kanje, uPep Guardiola prefers cause mdlala 4-3-3, uhluke dlala 4-3-3 uHaaland ephambili. uPep Guardiola prefers ukuthi mabehamba laba makuthi uhambile oyedwa oyi-1 angene ngaphakathi uKyle Walker, then i-block is there. If you see makuthi uKyle Walker akangeni ngaphakathi kungena uVardiol aqondane nomuntu odlala number 6 angene ngaphakathi, the block is there, lo uyahamba. And then bakwazi ukuthi laba baya press ibhola malibuya, makuthi kufanele kudefendwe they can delay ama opponents, makuthi kufanele kudefendwe futhi they can shift kwa left beye kwa right, behambisane kahle in a coordinated way. So this is what we call a block. There are many forms of ilokhu's rest defense. Sometimes abanye coach ba prefer ukuthi kube nomdlali ngaphambili nangemva kwe striker. So basically Sundowns i-rest defense yayo ikanje, ne-Pirates nayo yenza block mangabe idlala ilokhuzana i-rest defense. So asibuyeke ngikutshela ukuthi kubasiza ngani ukudlala 4 midfielders abe Sundowns kanje. Omnye umngane wami uyibiza nge-4-3-1-2 cause uRibeiro udlala in between the lines. Ngathi uyi-striker uphinde ngathi uyi-midfielder. Ilokhuzana i-AC Milan yake yayidlala lento, idlala ngobani ngoKaka. uKaka was here ngesikhathi uPhilo ela noGattuso noSeedorf berani engine. Barcelona did something similar ngesikhathi sika 2009 because it was Xavi, it was Iniesta, it was Busquets, and then Messi was in that false 9 sort of half midfielder so that he could be able to find spaces between the lines. So mangabe bedlala, let's say they playing against ama defenders eKaizer Chiefs, unganaki inamba so ama defender lawa awu 4, mabe mimi kanje laba awu 2, benza ukuthi ama defender engazi ukuthi emakwe yilo noma amakwe yilo. Ufreeze those two midfield those two defenders ngokuthi ume in between them usuba freezile abazi ukuthi bazokumakha kanjani. That opens up ispace for ukuthi lo asondele yabo akwazi ukoverlap kahle athole ispace because laba baya confuse indlela beme ngayo, and also lo akakwazi ukusondela ku Ribeiro the main guy azolanda ibhola, nalo akakwazi ukusondela ku Ribeiro the main guy azolanda ibhola because in ba freezile. And then if Chiefs is playing, let's say you're playing three in the middle, so they outnumber you in the middle of the pack, which now forces you, let's say you've got three strikers now and your goalkeeper. Now it forces you ukuthi uthi hayibo, these people are killing us la phakathi because you don't want to leave alende phakathi nendawo benomkwena nabo Ribeiro bezenzela leyo nto leyo. If you tell this guy to drift infield, also you're opening space for the fullbacks to bomb forward, right? Kodwa ngokwe Sundowns nje ngokwe formation ya Sundowns, the main guy Ribeiro always has to receive the ball, and these two guys azama ukubathola. And i-wing play umnqithi akhuluma ngayo ilena evulekayo ke ukuthi ama fullbacks asondele. I-wing play udlala ngama fullbacks. These other four guys abala ngemuva, these other four guys aba attack isidalo kukancane thola igoli lizoshaywa yilabo abanye abawu5 laba. Umuntu oyinkinga la o-busted kule formation yonke nje siphelele ulokhuzana uRibeiro, umuntu o-busted kuyona yonke le formation isiphelele nje uRibeiro, umuntu o-busted fana zama ukuthola these two strikers abazohlala bephambi kwakhe and these fullbacks abarana up and down, and iDiamond yabasiza because now we create doubt ukuthi uyangena ngaphakathi wena oy-opponent uyangena ngaphakathi to try and counter the central overload enziwa iSundowns, okanye you stay wide. If you stay wide bazokudominate because bawu4. If you try to counter that, i-fullback iyaqhubeka iye phambili. Cishe usukubonileke kwenzakala kanjani tactic spot. Now let's go to a real match situation so that you'll understand. Now here's a typical example of Ribeiro receiving the ball between the lines, and the strikers Sundowns okushalulile no Rainers, they're gonna try and run between the defenders to confuse them bengazi ukuthi ubani ozomaka bani. You see, he's gonna be picking out defense splitting pass. That's down to his qualitative superiority. What's quite remarkable, it comes all the way from the keeper. You're gonna be quicker this season, right? And Mobuga, the four defenders Kaizer Chiefs, awazi ukuthi azomisa kanjani. Eyek Ribeiro noma amagela itrakezo 2 and amako yisiphi phakathi kwaso, yabo? And it's quicker, isuke keeper they're getting Ribeiro on the ball. The two midfielders the Chiefs asemva kwakhe awazi azommaka kanjani, and the 2-3 midfielders the Sundowns awayihluphi nanga attack nawa ngemumva, yabo? So are not heavily involved creating kama goals, and you know what happens next lapana. So uzo pick a defense splitting pass again, fullbacks keeping with Ribeiro is free in between the lines, the two strikers Sundowns in between ama defender Chiefs. So Ribeiro has time because the defenders are frozen, unleashes a powerful shot. Unfortunately laba phezulu, we are receiver between the lines, fullback on rushing, bam, there's your goal. Another classic example, bavale phakathi kuzoba ma fullbacks nama strikers. That's Modiba on the far side feeding uShalulile, bam, another goal. So cishe ayibona lento isebenza kanjani. We are celebrate umfana. Another classic example, Ribeiro uya receiver, two strikers in front of him, and all of a sudden the fullbacks are going to be steaming forward to keep it with. On the right and left are my fullbacks arc. The three Sundowns midfielders are still behind the center circle. Actually they're still behind the halfway line. So what it does there, we are receiver, uboni fullback on rushing, releases a pass, a cross comes in, you know what happens next. Bam, it's a goal. It's all about freezing ama players for Ribeiro. Nangu Ribeiro uthola ibhola njengamanje, releasing one of the front runners oku Matthews, ubona uRainers on the far side, uyamfida, bam, it's a goal. So that's basically how they play. It's about Ribeiro, the two fullbacks, and the two strikers. Uyayithola Ribeiro between the lines, unika uShalulile, or between ama defender, bam, it's a goal. Yabo? One of the best pictures you'll ever see, iDiamond the Sundowns, Nansia, Cape Town City is trying to nullify midfield dominance by also picking a midfield. But Ribeiro, ayende odlala ngaka right weDiamond, ubona ipass ye fullback, uzo release fullback, okukhulisa umudawo nje, umbona uzorana la ku blue khona, ibhola izohamba la kubomvu khona. So if you see abadlali beSundowns abanye they're still behind halfway line. Laba base midfield, Grant Kekana there unikeza laphana umfana uMaseo Ayende izamile ukupheka midfield Cape Town City, isivula space esidini. Khuliso Mudawu is now free. Sebeyagijima the front strikers out two, naye uRibeiro, bam, another goal. So that's basically how i-Sundowns. I'll leave it to you ukuthi ungitshele ukuthi uzobona ukuthi ngamiswa kanjani wena against this Diamond 442. How can you counter it? And iyodwa indoda yathi yona iyakwazi ukudlala against yona. Coach Opolokwane City mawukhumbula kahle i-Sundowns yabadla ku extra time ngo-own goal ku-M108. First league game badlala Sundowns didn't even get a shot on target. Uthi yena into ayisebenzisa ukuthi bavumele bese ibhola emasayidini and then he would pounce on them. Engavumeli bepenetrate through the middle. Wena mawubheka fana ucoach adlala iphi formation mangabe edlala against i-Diamond 442 ye-Sundowns, and what can be done to counter indlela abadlala ngayo. I'll leave it to you, but nami ngineyami suggestion engizoyiposta in due course.
You stifled them and you got those 3 points.
I think what we have done well today was to manage those spaces in between the defense and the spaces between the midfield, whereby Allende and Matthews was operating, as well as the spaces that was used by Morena on the side, as well as the one that was used by Tiwane on the other side. So we managed that perfectly well. We forced them to go wide, but we have set the traps that when they go wide, the moment they receive the ball, we must make sure that we pounce on them.
And you